Now, China's economic outlook, of course, taking center stage at the Dalian Forum. One area of big interest is the country's effort to boost innovation and entrepreneurship. CCTV's Martina Fuchs reports.
The World Economic Forum, Summer Davos, happening in Dalian this week, is looking for new champions to pull China's economy out of its lull. The Chinese stock market rout that started in mid-June and the renminbi devaluation shortly after have sent shockwaves around the world. At Peking University's Guanghua School of Management, scholars believe, however, that China is still on track to reach its official 7% annual growth target this year.
I think even though with the ups and downs of the financial market, most of those are just constrained on the financial side. It doesn't necessarily translate into the real economic activities, particularly for the large amount of the urban and rural population in China.
In the first half of the year, China achieved a real GDP growth rate of 7% year-on-year. Still not a bad number. Global investment management firm BNY Mellon says some of the market fears are exaggerated.
We look at the numbers in China with some degree of skepticism, but that said, I think we're pretty comfortable that the Chinese growth is on par for somewhere between 7% and 6% growth.
In the long run, the challenge for China still remains the economic transformation, the shift from being a world factory to a driver of innovation. With the recent stock market turmoil and the currency devaluation, which rattled global markets and sparked a sell-off in equities and bonds in emerging markets, how to boost innovation and entrepreneurship will become ever more important. Innovation has been identified as a new growth engine in China, and the government says it plans to step up policy support by, among other things, simplifying registration procedures and giving subsidies to innovative businesses. The latest data shows that the number of newly founded companies in China surged almost 46% year-on-year to 3.65 million in 2014.
There are new sectors, new opportunities for growth that are being created within China. When you look at China, you just can't paint the economy with a broad brush. It's truly a mosaic.
A mosaic which is composed of many different pieces and colors, big, small, dark and bright. Martina Fuchs, CCTV, Beijing.